let's continue with alternative formula of binomial expansion. Okay, another alternative. The alternative formula. Okay, this is the alternative formula, and I hope you can see the patterns. Start the question one. Okay, in the first variable must be 1 plus. Okay, the operation either subtract or addition is okay. And then the most important thing, okay, the first variable must be 1. Okay, and then 1 start with, okay, over 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and so on. Okay, 2 factorial x power of 2, 3 factorial x power of 3, and 4 factorial 4 power of 4. Okay, so let's straight away discuss the example question. Okay, use the binomial theorem to find the first 4. Okay, the first 4 terms, okay, in each of this expansion. Okay, let's say this is the question. Okay, and then let's do the expansion. So equals to, because of the first variable is 1, so 1 plus and you know n equals to 8, so 8 times first variable. Okay, second variable is 2x. Alright, and then plus, okay, n equals to 8, so 8 minus 1, right, over 2 factorial times second variable is 2x power of, because of 2 factorial, power of 2. Okay, this is first term, second term, third term. Okay, we want the first 4 terms. Okay, last plus 8. Okay, so 8 minus 1, okay, and 8 minus 2 over third term is 2 factorial, and fourth term is 3 factorial, bracket second variable is 2x power of 3 plus dot. Okay, and then simplify. Okay, 1 plus 8 plus 8 times 2x equals to 16x plus, okay, 8 times 7 over 2 times 1 times 4x squared plus 8 times 7 times 6 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 8x 8x power of 3 plus dot. Okay, because this is the first 4 terms, so no need to write down plus dot. Okay, by using the calculator, this is the final answer. Plus 112 x squared plus 448 x power of 3. Okay, so if the question asks to find the first 4 terms, so more suitable to use this alternative formula. Okay, now we go to the second example question. So you know n equals to 9. Okay, so n equals to 9, and then alright, so okay, if you can see the first variable is not 1, so you have to make 1 how? Factorize. Okay, factorize the bracket, so factorize 2, we get 1 minus factorize x. Okay, so x over 2, and then bracket power of 9. Okay, and then what do we do? Expand. Okay, expand the power of 9. So now you can see here equals to 2 power of 9, so 1 minus x over 2. Alright, so 9 power of 9. Okay, so now I want you to look at this expansion. 1 minus x over 2 bracket power of 9. Okay, so we take 1 minus x over 2 power of 9 only. Okay, so left out 2 power of 9. Later we continue. Okay, so expand, so 1 plus 9 times negative x over 2. Okay, plus, okay, so 9 minus 1 over, okay, 2 factorial. Alright, and then times negative x over 2 power of 2. Okay, because of the 2 factorial, and last term plus 9 times 9 minus 1 times 9 minus 2 over 3 factorial negative x over 2 power of 3 because of the 3 factorial as your reference. And then simplify 1 minus 9x over 2 plus 9 times 8 over 2 times 1, and then because of squared, so x squared over 4 plus 9 times 8 times 7 over 3 times 2 times 1 times power of 3 negative x cubed over 8. Okay, and then you get 1 minus 9x over 2, and then plus 9x squared minus 21x power of 3 over 2. Okay, and then again, alright, continue with 9 power of 2 power of 9 times 1 minus 9. Okay, to make easy, okay, we copy, okay, copy and paste here. Alright, to be easy. Okay, and then what do we do? Okay, expand 2 power of 9 to each term. Alright, so we get 2 power of 9 minus 2 power of 9 times 9x over 2 plus 2 power of 9 times 9x squared minus 2 power of 9 times 21x cubed over 2. Okay, and then the answer by using calculator, 512 minus 2304x minus 4608x squared minus 5376x power of 3. Okay, this is how you solve the expansion. Okay, thank you. Okay, and now let's continue with IGCSE examination question. Okay, after we discuss the basic knowledge about the formula in binomial expansion, the alternative formula, and so on. Okay, let's discuss the IGCSE examination question. Okay, so the first three term, ascending power of x expansion, this is the expansion 2 plus bx power of 8, can be written as, okay, this is the first three terms. Find the value of each of the constant a, b, and c. Okay, so for this question, I want to use this formula NCR, a power of n minus r, and b power of r. Okay, which is n equals to 8 and r equals to 0, 1, and 2. Okay, this is the first three terms. Okay, so this is the expansion 2 plus bx power of 8, so equals to, right, 2 power of 8 plus 8c1 first term, okay, power of 8, and then second term bx power of 1 plus 8c2, and then 2 power of 7, 8 minus 2. Alright, so here is 8 minus 1, sorry, 8 minus 1, my bad. Okay, again 8 minus 1, so here at 8 minus 2 bx power of 2, and then simplify and equals to the first three term through the question. So 2 power of 8, 256 plus 8 times 2 power of 7 equals to 128 times bx, and then plus 8c2 equals to 28 times 2 power of 6. Okay, this is 7. 2 power of 6 is 64 times b squared x squared. Simplify by using your calculator, you get 256 1024 bx plus 1792 b squared x squared, and then we equate, okay, to the first three term. Right, okay, let's copy the answer. Okay, so equal to here a plus 256x plus cx squared, and then equate, so you will get, therefore a equals to 256, and then b. Alright, b equate b equate second terms 1024bx equals to 256x, cancel x, and then b, therefore b equals to 256 over 1024. By using calculator you get 1 over 4, and then last, okay, here with c, right, 1792 b squared x squared equals to cx squared. Okay, alright, cancel, therefore c equals to 1792 times b squared 1 over 4 squared. Okay, so you get c equals to 112. Alright, question 2. Okay, using the value found in part 1, find the terms of independent of x. Term independent of x in the expansion. Okay, write down 2 plus bx. Okay, 2 times bx power of 8 times 2x minus 3 over x squared. Alright, so equals to, so the first three terms, 256 plus 256x. Okay, so we get from the first question, right, plus 112 x squared times 2x minus 3x squared. Okay, 2x minus 3 over x. Okay, so if you expand this one, so you will get okay, let me copy first this one. Okay, so you will get okay, if you expand, okay, properly, then you get 4x squared minus 12 plus 9 over x squared. Okay, so now we are going to find the terms independent of x. So x, right, so x, so independent only, you expand with no variable. Okay, and then x squared, right, only two terms you expand. Okay, right, so terms, therefore term independent meaning no variable of x. So 256 times negative 12, so you get negative 3072. Okay, this is the first one. The second one, right, 112 x squared times 9 over x squared, so you will get 112 times 9 equal to 1008. Okay, 1008. Therefore the total, okay, the summation of the two terms independent equals to negative 3072 plus 1008 equals to negative 2064. Okay, so actually the question is not that hard. Okay, it is simple as long as your basic knowledge is strong. Okay, until now, that's all for now. Thank you.